50k subscribers on YouTube. Yay! Swipe and see. So you actually swiped. You can't believe it that I said so. Anyways, any win is a win, and I am one that does not take for granted the days of humble beginning. I'm bringing this up here to say thank you to the 50 subscribers who are rooting for us on Abbas Babes. Thank you so much. We do not take it for granted. And I am making a public apology for the followers on Ed Looks. I am really sorry you have not been seeing my green lights. It is never deliberate. Let me just say there is more to me than hair, and I just thought to harness all my gifts and talents, hence why Abbas Babe came to be. So I'm just going to leave that channel because we've had some videos that are actually good that you can always make reference to. So we'll be more on Abbas Babe now so that we can, show you other side of us. I believe you like that now. So I know I've not said this officially, but this is me saying it officially. I am not deleting the account Rooted Looks. It is still going to be there, but please support Abbas Babe. Support us. I'm begging, like I am begging. And now, please subscribe and make your girl proud, so that when we get to that 50k subscribers, 50 million, we'll be saying you were part of the success story. And your love on our last video is worth mentioning. Thank you all so very much. We do not take it for granted. Happy weekend.